you may now find that there is no frothing coming. The soil is in suspension, and there we have added 100 gram of distilled water and 100 ml of distilled water and 100 ml of sodium hexametaphosphate. So this we have added in the beaker, and now we are transferring this to this particular instrument. This is known as mechanical stirrer. So you can find out, I will just, before pouring it, I will show you the components. So this is the motor. This is connected to a electrical circuit. So this motor, and it will start. So there is a rod here, so it will move. So this will be starting the suspension here, and this is the cup. In this cup we are pouring this soil suspension. So please remember that this soil suspension, as it is now, so this has come after giving it H2O2 treatment. So that is the oxidizing agent, as I told, to drive away the organic matter content. And then we have added 100 ml of distilled water and 100 ml of sodium hexametaphosphate. Now we will be adding some more sodium hexametaphosphate or distilled water in order to take all the soils to this particular cup. So take care of getting all the samples, because as you know that your soil is now, this is all you have measured. So the soil, as you have all measured, so that is a 50 gram. So all the soil must go to the cup for stirring purpose. Okay, so you will try to ensure that the soils are not wasted and this all goes to the cup. Okay, now there is already sodium hexametaphosphate is there, and it is recommended you can give 100 ml. So it can be a little bit more or less, but 100 ml is a general consideration. So place the cup to the motor. First you have to place the lid, and this you have to tightly secure this. Tightly secure this. Okay, now you have to slowly move it one up, one down. Yeah, leave it. So as you can find that it is now being stirred, the soil suspension which is there in the cup. So I am slightly increasing the speed. So this way you can start it for nearly 10 to 15 minutes, and in between you can switch it off, and then again you can start. So altogether 10-15 minutes is good enough. So your samples will be all now ready for taking reading. So remember, in this soil suspension you have soil, you have H2O2 which was used for removing the organic carbon, and then you have sodium hexametaphosphate given 100 ml, and so this will be using as a dispersing agent. So sodium hexametaphosphate is a dispersing agent. It has got the sodium ion, so that will make the soil particles disperse. So they will not come in close contact. So they will be all segregated. So they will not be in flocculated condition. They are all in dispersed.